You be the judge. Listen, Amigo, count again. This time in Chinese. That was actually Japanese. Chotomate kudasai. That means please wait for a while. Okay, Amigo, I'll wait for a while. Not too long, huh? Okay, ready? 1 to 10 in Chinese.
2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。
Perfect 10. Very good, Amigo. No problem to the counting. So let's do some singing. He's gonna sing for us 3 songs in 3 different languages. The first one will be a local children's song. It's a Chinese song and it's called Malay. Amigo, ready? Sing for us a song in Mandarin. Very good, Amigo. Very nice. Word for word. Song number 2 will be a song in Malay. This one has a catchy tune and it's called Rasa Sayang. Yeah, it simply means feelings of love. It's a very romantic word. So Amigo, sing Rasa Sayang. Our penguin buddy, and he's got something to say. What is it, Rocky? Oh, everyone, Rocky here is celebrating his birthday today. Very good, Rocky, very good. And for those of you who are celebrating your birthdays, listen to Amigo. He's gonna sing you a nice birthday song. Ready, Rocky? Amigo, sing for us all. And to all of you who are celebrating your birthdays, very good, Amigo. Now he's done a very good job, but it's time for him to go back home. Amigo, before you go home, what must you say?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Amigo. Give him a big hand, everyone, for Amigo.